What's up guys, Zavo and welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but that was just because I needed a break from YouTube and I took a vacation and I'm back now and I'm going to post more. So let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to add Cogs to your Discord bot. So let's get started. First, you want to add a folder to your directory and name this folder Cogs. And then inside the folder, you want to add like whatever file name that you want. I'm just going to do rando.py. The file name doesn't really matter. What matters is what you put inside of the file. So let's just import commands really quick because you're going to need that. And then import commands. Now you want to add a class and name that class whatever you want. I'm just going to name it random. It doesn't really matter what you put. I mean, it does matter what you put. This is the name that's going to show up in the help command. So yeah. And then inside the parentheses, you want to add commands dot capital C cog and then colon, of course. And then you want to add and then if you want to like add a help, like a description for this command, cog, all you need to do is add 3 apostrophes. And then you just put whatever you want, like tutorial, video, I don't know. Do whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. And then inside the class, all you want to do is def 2 underscores in it, another 2 underscores, and then inside you want to add self and client as the parameters. And then you want to do self.client equals client. Since you can't really use client from the main py file in a cog, what you do is you just like make self have client underneath it. So because self is in every command in a cog, so you can use client that way. Yeah. So now let's work on commands. Here you want to do * commands dot command, not client.command because you can't use client here. So then inside that you want to do async def random, I guess, whatever you want to do. I mean, just do the command as you want it to. Just add self and before the ctx and then do all your other parameters. And then after that, I'll just show you how you can use client in a cog. So just await ctx.send. I'll just show you how you can find out how many servers your bot is in. Why does it run? So what you need to do is just say I am in brackets len, so that it comes out as a number, self.client.guilds. So if you were in main py file and you made that command, it would just be len client.guilds, but we're in cog, so we need the self. And then just type after that, just type servers. I mean, you can do whatever you want. And then to finish up this py file, you just need to add a setup function. In the setup function, add client, and then colon, and then just do client.add cog. Inside the parentheses, do random, and then inside the parentheses for random, you have to add client. This just ensures that the random cog gets added to the bot. And then you want to go back to your main file, and in front of your client.run command, you want to put for file in os.listdir. Yeah, you need to have OS for this, but that's just a built-in. All you need to do is import OS. And then inside, you want to do whatever those are, and then /cogs. So just saying whatever files for the files in cogs, and then you add colon, and then inside the for you want to do if file dot ends with .py. This just makes sure that we're only picking up the py files, not any of the other files, so it only picks up the Python files that actually are the command.cogs ones. And then inside the if, you want to add a try and except handler, so that we can handle errors that come in the cogs. So now inside the try, you want to do client.load extension, and inside the load extension, you want to add f and then whatever those are, and then you do cogs dot brackets file name file, no more brackets, and inside the second pair of brackets, you want to add a colon -3. This just makes sure that it only picks up cogs.rando and it removes the .py, because if you do cogs.rando.py, it's not going to pick the right thing up. And then we need an except for the try, and just put exception. Sorry, I just blanked out for a moment. Exception as E. Just do print E. And that's how you can add cogs. Now let's run this bot, and it should work if I did everything right. Oh, right. Lister, not lister. Run it again. And see, our bot worked. Now let's go to Discord and see the actual bot. So if we check our help command for the tutorial bot right now, as you can see, it's going to show the category, no category, with our embed command, our help command, and our test command. Then it's going to show a different cog with the category random, and inside that category, it's going to show random. So if we do help random, as you can see, it's going to show the help that we put in for the cog, and it's going to show all the commands for the cog, all the commands that are in the cog random. Now if we try random, it's going to say I'm in one server because this is the only server it's in. So that's how you add cogs to your Discord bot. Be sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to keep posting now, so you probably should, so you get more things that you can do on your Discord bot. Okay, bye.